This short guide explains how to buy shares of Firstgroup PLC, ticker FGP.L. Firstgroup is a UK public transport operator listed on the London Stock Exchange under LSE-PLC, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker FGP.L to find Firstgroup PLC. Select the matching result to open the company asset page and confirm it is the correct listing. On the asset page, check basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have Firstgroup PLC. Verify the exchange and the ticker on the page to ensure it is the LSE listing. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the trade details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description.